If you've been working for too long of your life and your body is starting to feel the stress and the pain of being working for very long of your lifetime, and yet you could not still able to save, or you could not see the future of your retirement, check us out, because I used to be in that situation. Before, I thought that working alone will bring me what I want. I thought working alone, if I keep working harder, if I can have another job, I thought that was doable. And lo and behold, it was not. Even though I was working double jobs, although I'm working very hard, and although I've been living in a very prudent way of life, still my salary is not enough. Our salary could not adapt the rising cost of living, and for that, you're gonna need something as an extra. And this is a plan B that I would like to introduce to you. I started in this digital business as a plan B, as slowly, but now I am working in this full-time. I am now a full-time digital business owner, and I am doing my schedule now on my own, because now I am the boss of myself. No more waking up in alarm clock, no more rushing to go to traffic to report to work, and no more accepting other bosses' instructions for me to do what I need to do a job, because now I am taking charge of my control of my financial situations. So if you're someone out there who's looking to do something different, who are looking to do something that you have not tried before, try this online digital business, because you can do this on the side while you are still working, and at the same time you can still start creating your own business so that you can have additional source of income. Check me at my website at www.embracingabundanceglobally.com. My name is Regina. I am a wife, a mom, and now a full-time digital business owner. My background is healthcare provider and a caregiver. You can do this regardless of your background, and do not underestimate what your ability to do. Although you have no online business experience, you are not tech savvy, even if you are not very good in English just like me, I did it. I am now a full-time digital business owner and doing this business successfully online. So check me out on my website at www.embracingabundanceglobally.com, and I hope to help you own your own digital business.